Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given Ajay owns 560 shares of a company. The face value of each share is given, which is 25 rupees, and the company declares a dividend of 9%. So here we need to find the dividend amount that Ajay will get and the rate of interest on his investment. If Ajay had paid rupees 30 for each share, so given the number of shares equals to 560 and the face value of each share is rupees 25 and the dividend rate or rate of dividend is 9%. So we need to find the dividend that Ajay will get. So write down the dividend formula. So dividend per share equals to 9% of 25. So this is dividend per share. So 9 divided by 100 equals to 25 into 25 equals to 9 by 4. So dividend for 560 shares. So we just need to multiply 9 by 4 and 560. So if you multiply that, we'll get 5040 divided by 4. So which is 1260 rupees. So we can conclude that the dividend that Ajay will get is 1260 rupees. So next one is the rate of interest on his investment. If Ajay paid rupees 30 for each share, so which means first we need to find the investment, then we need to find the rate of interest. So investment is equals to number of shares into share value. Number of shares is 560 and the share value he paid rupees 30 per share. So 560 times of 30 is 16,800. So this is the investment. Now find the rate of interest of his investment. So rate of interest equals to the dividend divided by the investment into 100. So the dividend value is 1260 and the investment is 16,800 into 100. So if you simplify this, so 1,26,000 divided by 16,800, so we'll get 7.5%. So the rate of interest on his investment is 7.5%. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.